Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me, and for this one, I'm going to be using some foil. And then I picked up this kit from White Rose Printables because I needed some more. I wanted some more fall kits. This is actually a Thanksgiving kit, but I'm using it as a fall kit because I feel like the whole month of November is Thanksgiving. So it doesn't matter to me if there's like food spreads or any of that kind of stuff, because to be perfectly honest, working in a hospital every day is Thanksgiving in the month of November because somebody's bringing some kind of a treat or some kind of a spread every single day. So it is okay. I don't mind having the food on all the weeks that are not Thanksgiving. But this kit comes with a tons of pages. You can see here I printed them all out, but if you don't need them all, you don't have to print them all. That's one of the beauties of having printable kits, is that you print what you want. If you don't need it, you don't print it. But I wanted to use the extras in daily spread in my hybrid planner. So that's why I printed all the pages, because I don't mind having the extras. And then this is the foil bundle that I'm using. This is the fall foil. And I turned down some of my lights so that there isn't so much glare, although it still picks up a lot of the glare from using glossy sheets. You can't see as how sparkly it is, but it is a rose gold metallic. So it is pretty sparkly when you're don't have the lights turned down, and then the camera lights are up. So it's just a thing that I had to do to try to. The other plan with me that I did actually before this, but it's for later, is I had the lights wrong, and then I tried to fix it, and then you'll see when that one comes out. I'm still going to leave it up because the kit is absolutely stunning, and it was one from SLO Planning. So I'm not going to take it down, even though the lights kind of irritate me the way that it came out, but I figured it out. So for this one, I've got the lights set the proper way so that you can see them really well. So if you're looking for printable shops, White Rose Printables has a lot of really pretty kits. Nice setup for their boxes and stuff, lots of choices. But as always, my favorite's always going to be Planner Pixie Co. So if you're looking for those kind of kits, I've already picked up my Planner Pixie Co. kits, and I actually did a spread, but I did not plan with me from Planner Pixie Co., and it was the Snow White version of it, and I did that one in my hybrid planner, but I didn't do a plan with me because I just put it down. I try not to do plan with me's for every single week because I feel like you guys are going to be like, oh my god, another one, and I'm not that exciting. I don't have that much to talk about, so it's hard for me to just do the plan with me and chat about it, other than talking about the company itself for the kit that I'm using. I don't really have a lot going on other than I'm working every day, literally every day. So if I'm not working at the hospital, I'm working in my shop, trying to make my shop better, trying to redesign things, trying to bring in new artwork. I've got my artist that works for me, and I'm constantly sending her ideas for things and working on, making all of the kits better, making the boxes more functional, that kind of stuff. So I'm constantly working, but really not anything that's that exciting to go into a planner. I never got to take my trip to Boston because they canceled my flight, so I don't have any of that stuff to tell you about. So really, I try not to do every single week because, like I said, I don't have a ton of fun stuff to chat about. But I did have one fun thing happen this week. So the other day we went to Michael's, and they were having their 50% off their Christmas trees. And when the last time I bought artificial tree was probably like 10 years ago, and the lights didn't work on it anymore. And so if you've ever bought an artificial tree that you spent quite a bit of money on, because artificial trees are not cheap by any means. So I didn't want to buy another one, but I wanted lights. Obviously you want lights on your Christmas tree. So I went through and I cut off every single one of those stinking lights that is like woven into the tree. I cut them all off, and then I restrung it with new lights, and I'd been using it that way for a long time. And let me tell you, if you try to cut those lights off, your arms are going to suffer. So wear long sleeves if you ever try to do this, because the branches will just scratch the crap out of your arms, and then you'll be itching for like a week. So wear gloves and wear long sleeves if you're ever going to cut those lights off. But they were having a sale, 50% off all of the artificial trees. And so I went and bought a new tree, and I got it yesterday at Michael's, and I haven't set it up yet, but it is like kind of got like fuzzy branches. I don't know. It's really pretty. It's totally different than the one that I had before, and it's got like a bajillion lights on it. And I got the white one, the white lights. I don't like doing the colored lights on my Christmas tree because I have so many ornaments. I put up what's, I guess, would be considered like an old-fashioned Christmas tree. So I have ornaments from all of my kids from when I was a kid, handmade ornaments that my kids and I made together, all kinds of like old-fashioned kind of stuff. I don't do themed trees. It's very much just like I literally have stuff with my name on it from when that I made with my aunt when I was a little kid. So that's the type of Christmas tree that I have. So I don't tend to do the colored lights because I have so much going on the tree. I think the white lights really make it look pretty. So I got the white lights. It's a 7.5 feet, and I'm really excited. I actually wasn't going to decorate for Christmas this year, and then I thought, what am I doing? I have a brand new grandbaby here that this is her first Christmas. Of course I'm gonna decorate. I don't know what I was thinking, but because we're gonna have flooring put down, and they called me the other day to tell me that the flooring's on back order, and so it's not going to happen. And so I've decided that even if they call me tomorrow and say, okay, the flooring is in, I'm probably going to make them wait until after the first of the year. So I'm going to decorate because that was why I wasn't going to decorate, because they were going to be putting flooring down, and I didn't want to have to, try to figure out how to decorate with them tearing out all the floors upstairs. So I've decided that my granddaughter's first Christmas is going to be very sparkly. She loves lights. I don't know why, but she has like this obsession with staring at all the lights in my office and in my shop. So I think she will really enjoy having all the sparkly twinkly lights, because I go all out. I've got like the fireplace is all decked out, everything. So it's going to look fantastic. So now I'm excited. I'm excited for Christmas because I want to get started, but I will wait. I will wait until after Thanksgiving. I'm not going to be one of those people that puts up all my stuff before Thanksgiving, although there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just not going to do it. I'm so bad with the decorations that I literally just took down my 4th of July decorations because I just haven't had time to do anything. So I didn't decorate for Halloween this year, which now I feel bad. I should have. But I think Halloween she'll probably enjoy that next year a lot more. So next year I can do like the big Halloween decorating that I used to do, and she'll probably enjoy that more. But Christmas she'll definitely, because what is she? She's 9 months old. So by the time Christmas comes, she'll be 10 months old. Obviously, she'll be 10 months old. So I think she'll enjoy the lights and all that a lot better. So I put down all of my bougie boxes, and you can see here see that glare? That just irritates me. So like I said, I'm trying to get used to the foil thing, but I think I am more inclined towards foiled kits than foil overlays. So even though I will continue to make them, they will continue to be in my shop because I know a lot of people really love this. And so it's not like I'm going to get rid of them, but I think I am going to bring back the foiled kits. If I can do some that I'm proud of, then we will see. I will start working on that and try to get that done before the December Magical Monthly Mystery Kit comes out. And we'll see how that comes out. So just putting down all the boxes and trying to leave some space in between so that you can see the bougie boxes underneath, because I'm assuming that is why you put down bougie boxes. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out the whole foiling thing, and so I'm trying to leave some space there so you can see it, but I really like the way it came out. It does look pretty, and now that I have it sitting in front of me without the lights glaring on it, I really do like it. I think it looks nice. I'm wondering though, do you guys ever use the non-glossy paper ones? Do you want me to try that? So there is paper that is matte that you can do the foil on, that I could try and see if I could foil on the matte the same way that I do the glossy, because maybe that wouldn't be so glary and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know in the comments below what kinds of foil you like, and if you prefer foil bundles or foiled kits or matte foil paper, or what kinds of things that you prefer to use when it comes to foil. And then I will try to explore those options and get back to you with that. So for this week, since this is next week, my son's birthday is on Sunday, and so that I've got a little birthday sticker that's going to go in there. Actually, I already put it in there. After I finished filming, I filled out the stuff that I knew was going on. Then I work all those days, so this work sticker was fantastic. I'm really happy that they had this work sticker in there, and I keep saying that I'm going to make them and add them to my shop, and I haven't done it yet because I'm trying to get so many things done for Black Friday. Black Friday sale is going to be big. It's going to be big, and there's going to be something every single day. And so I've been working on the scripts right now. I've got 3 fantastic fonts for the scripts, and I've been totally redoing the script section of my shop because that is one of the days the scripts are going to be heavily discounted. Each day there's going to be something, starting from Thursday through Monday. Every day has a different deeply discounted section of the shop. So it's as far as I'm going to tell you because I have to wait for it to be announced on the TPC what the actual sales are and what's going up and what the percentages are, but I'll give you like a little sneak peek of what that is going to be. So I've been working on scripts, got a ton of them up there. What else have I done? Oh, I've been working on the new monthly sticker format that I came out with, and I showed that recently in a video, and I really love the new monthly layout. So I've been working on those. Want to get one out for January, so that way you have January. I'll try to do January and February at the same time. But so that's something else I've been working on. The new monthly magical monthly mystery kit for December is fantastic. I love it. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It is so stinking cute. So I've got that I've been working on. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I will work on some more of the functionals, although I did update the functional section with a ton of stuff for you guys. So you have a lot of functionals, lots of different bundles to choose from. But I'll try to get that work one done. And then if you have any other suggestions for other ones that you would like to see, like the boxes that you'd like to see in the functionals, just also comment below, send me a message, however you want to get a hold of me and give me some ideas, or join the Facebook group. So on my Facebook group, it's nice because it's starting to get full of people and I love it. But on the Facebook group, we ask questions a lot, and mainly the questions that I'm asking when I post a question is because I'm trying to look for ideas for you guys. So if there's things on there like scripts that you want, or functional boxes that you want, or any like the foil things that I just asked here, I will also ask in the Facebook group. So that is a great platform for you to let me know what kinds of things that you're looking for, things that I can actually offer in my kits to make my kits more functional and better for you. So go ahead and head over to Facebook and join the Scrappy Fox Facebook group. That one, you have to answer a couple of questions, but that's just so that we can weed out the bots, and it's nothing super personal. It's basically like, what planners do you use, that kind of stuff. So, and that's pretty much it. So this is the end of the plan with me for this one. I love this kit, White Rose Printables. This is the foil from my shop. This is the fall foil bundle, and thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.